Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special topic that holds a lot of significance for all of us, Teachers' Day in India. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Teachers' Day is celebrated across India on the 5th of September every year. But have you ever wondered why this specific day is chosen? Well, it's not just any random date. It's the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, one of India's most respected scholars, philosophers, and the second president of India. But more importantly, he was an exemplary teacher, and today we are going to delve deeper into his life and why we celebrate his legacy on Teachers' Day. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on September 5, 1888, in Tirutani, a small town in Tamil Nadu. Coming from a modest Telugu-speaking Brahmin family, he showed remarkable dedication to his education right from a young age. He was an extraordinary student who completed his entire education through scholarships, a testament to his brilliance and commitment. Radhakrishnan earned a master's degree in philosophy and was deeply influenced by the philosophical traditions of both the East and the West. In fact, he authored the book, The Philosophy of Rabindranath Tagore, in 1917, which was one of his significant contributions to philosophical literature. He served in various prestigious roles throughout his career. From being a professor of philosophy at the University of Mysore, to becoming the Vice-Chancellor of Andhra University, and later, Banaras Hindu University, BHU, Dr. Radhakrishnan's influence as an educator was unparalleled. His intellectual capabilities and dedication to education earned him immense respect, not just in India but across the globe. But what makes Dr. Radhakrishnan's story even more inspiring is his humility and his love for teaching. When he became the President of India in 1962, his friends and former students approached him with a request to celebrate his birthday. In his usual humble manner, he suggested that instead of celebrating his birthday, it would be his honor if the day was celebrated as Teachers' Day, to recognize the invaluable contributions of teachers all over the country. And that's how the 5th of September became Teachers' Day in India, a day to honor and celebrate the educators who shape our future. It's a day for students to express their gratitude and admiration for their teachers, who tirelessly work to impart knowledge, instill values, and build the foundation for a better society. This year, the theme for Teachers' Day 2024 is Empowering Educators, Strengthening Resilience, Building Sustainability. It emphasizes the importance of supporting and empowering teachers to adapt and thrive in a rapidly changing world. It's a call to recognize their efforts and ensure that they have the resources and support they need to continue their vital work. As we celebrate this special day, let's take a moment to thank our teachers for their dedication and commitment to educating us and guiding us on the right path. They are the unsung heroes who play a crucial role in shaping the future of our society. So, whether you're a student, a parent, or just someone who values the importance of education, let's come together and celebrate our teachers not just today, but every day. That's all for today's video, folks. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below about a teacher who made a difference in your life. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such content. Happy Teachers' Day to all the amazing educators out there. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Bye.